DC Berwa represents chemistry.
Students, today chapter number first solid state and topic is seven crystal systems. See here in this unit cell, this is A axial length, this is B axial length, this is C axial length, and between A and B alpha bond angle, between B and C beta bond angle, and between C and A alpha bond angles. We can say total axial lengths or axial distance in this unit cell are A, B and C, and bond angles are alpha, beta and gamma. See here, French mathematician Bravais characterized unit cells on the basis of axial lengths and axial angles known as seven crystal systems. Seven crystal systems are system is cubic system, axial lengths for cubic system A equal to B, B equal to C. Axial angles for cubic system alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, 3 equal to 90 degree. Examples of cubic system: NaCl, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, zinc blend, copper, silver, etc. are the example of cubic system. Three possible variations are present in cubic system: primitive, body centered, face centered, means total three variations. We can say cubic system are symmetric system because in this system axial lengths are equal and bond angles are equal to each other. Okay. Next crystal system is tetragonal. In this system axial length A equal to B, B not equal to C. Axial angles alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, and three angles are equal to 90 degree. Example: white tin oxide, titanium oxide, calcium sulfate, etc. are the example of tetragonal system. Possible variations are primitive, body center. Two possible variations are present in tetragonal system. Third crystal system is orthorhombic. In this system, A axial length is not equal to B and B is not equal to C. It means three axial lengths are unequal. Axial lengths, axial bond angles alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, and three angles are equal to 90 degree. Examples of this system: rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate, lead carbonate, barium sulfate, etc. are the example of orthorhombic system. In this system, four possible variations are present: primitive, body centered, face centered, and end centered. Not this crystal system possible variations. This system have greater possible variations of all other systems. Okay. Next system is rhombohedral. In rhombohedral system, axial lengths A equal to B, B equal to C. It means three lengths are equal to each other, and axial angles alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, but three angles are not equal to 90 degree. Okay. Example: calcium carbonate, sodium nitrate, mercury sulfide are the examples of rhombohedral system. One possible variation present: primitive. Okay. Next, fifth number, hexagonal system. system, axial length A equal to B, B naught equal to C, axial angles alpha equal to beta, beta equal to 90 degree. It means alpha and beta angles equal to 90 degree, but gamma angle equal to 120 angles. Example of this system is graphite, zinc oxide, cadmium sulfide, etc. Possible variations is one primitive unit cell. Okay, next crystal system is monoclinic system. In this system, axial lengths A not equal to B, B not equal to C, bond angles alpha equal to gamma and both equal to 90 degree, but beta angle not equal to 90 degree. Okay, example of this system is monoclinic sulfur, sodium sulfate, etc. Possible variations are two in this system, primitive and end-centered. Okay, next crystal system is triclinic. In this system, axial lengths are A equal to B, B A not equal to B, B not equal to C. It means three axial lengths are not equal to each other. Axial angles alpha not equal to beta, beta not equal to gamma, and three angles are not equal to 90 degree. Examples of this system is copper sulfate, potassium dichromate also is the example of this system, boric acid also the example of this system. Possible variation is first in this cell, primitive system. Okay.